Hello everyone! Today I want to talk to you about lead generation campaigns on Facebook. My name is Rita and I help businesses to grow using social media. One of the biggest advantages in using Facebook for lead generation is that you don't need a website. So if you don't have one yet, you don't need to invest in your website right away. The second advantage is that price per lead that you will pay by collecting it directly to Facebook will be much cheaper than those that you will collect using your landing page or your website. For lead generation campaigns, Facebook has a lead generation form that you can build from scratch. You can collect any data you want from your customer. An average price per lead in US, for example, will go from $1 to $40, and it all depends on what industry are we talking about. If you are in travel industry, insurance, price per lead can go from $15 to $40 on average. If you have a CrossFit gym or fitness gym or any beauty salons, you can probably get your lead from $5 to $10. Now it's time to count. If you're going to pay $5 or $10 for your customer, will it actually be profitable to you? I think so. So if you don't collect leads on Facebook yet, it's time to start. Go to Ads Manager and create a lead generation campaign. A lead generation form you can find on your page in Publishing Tools. I hope you liked this video. Click like if you did, share it with your friends, or comment below if you have any more questions. Follow my page if you want to get more tips on Facebook advertising, and I see you in the next one. Goodbye!